This is a spiral shredder, designed for one specific challenge: shredding soft, elastic, and flexible waste that usually stops other machines. In this video, you're looking at cushions and foam padding. They may look easy, but in recycling, they are some of the hardest materials to process continuously. They bounce. They wrap around shafts, and sooner or later, the machine stops. And every stop costs you time, labor, and money. That's where this spiral shredder changes the game. Instead of pushing material down, the spiral feeding system actively pulls the cushion into the shredding zone. Feeding is controlled. Movement is stable, and wrapping is reduced from the very first contact. Inside the chamber, the machine runs at low speed with high torque. Rather than aggressive cutting, the material is torn apart steadily. That means less stress on components, less wear, and fewer maintenance headaches. What you get is simple: fewer shutdowns, smoother operation, and more output per shift. At the discharge end, the material comes out evenly, ready for the next processing step. If your project involves mats, foam, or other soft, elastic waste, this spiral shredder is a smarter solution to ensure your production line operates efficiently.